Alright, welcome back to yet another video in the Unreal Engine 5 multiplayer inventory component system. We are getting along quite nicely with the system the last videos. We haven't had as many issues as we normally have, so that's nice. So yeah, let's just keep going. Before we start, as always, thanks to all of my amazing patrons and thanks to all of you subscribers for watching. It makes me super happy, and thanks for all of your support. If you want to join the patrons, there's a link in the description of the video. Should be, at least. Anyway, let's keep going. So we're pretty much finished with chests. Comment if I forgot something. So let's set up a shop system as well once we're at it. Once I'm in the storage chest thingy mentality. So shouldn't be too hard. Should be but yeah, maybe I shouldn't say anything. Probably gonna encounter a bunch of errors with that instead. The chest is working and the shop should basically be pretty much the same, but instead of like when we drop like this we get money, and when we do this it costs money, but otherwise it's pretty much the same. But we could make it like a nicer list, I guess. How deep should we go in that? Should we do like drag and drop? Should we just do... That's not very normal to have like a drag and drop, right? Normally you would have like, maybe, of course, like when you drag him like this, you would be able to sell it. I mean, that's like Diablo, it's like you drag from there. So maybe we should just do the same. Or we could do like a list. There's like a list here. And then you press like buy. That kind of makes sense. I guess that's more common. Probably what is the normal thing to do. We need some stuff before we start. Should clean up the variables and put them in categories as well. Gold. Float. Let's do current gold. And then let's go to update the inventory widget. Show inventory. Probably be inventory. Ooh. Let's go here. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna select this vertical box here. I'm gonna do wrap with border. And I'm gonna delete this border. We're gonna do brush color and something like that. Now it's easier to move around. Can I move it in here? No. No, I guess we're just gonna have to do like this for now. Probably we should have put this in a separate widget from the start, but we didn't do that, so let's just keep it like this for now. Do not know why I did that. And we are going to yeah, you have to decide where you want this. You could put it in the HUD as well. Like having down in the corner, you could have like current gold. I will just do like this. How will I do this? We have the inventory grid, right? Vertical box. And no. There we go. So set it to fill and then align from bottom. And we're gonna do padding bottom like 15, 30, 45. Something like that. And we're gonna add a horizontal box to the vertical box. Maybe I actually don't need any padding. This horizontal box will have text. So that's fine. So we don't need any padding. Will be gold. Oh. And I will do it in the center, and it will have a padding of bottom like 5. So 5, left 5. And yeah, you could make an icon or whatever. I'll let you deal with the design stuff. That's not for me to decide how you want to decide your inventory, design your inventory. We will add another text. This will be the current gold text. It's going to be a variable. And we will add a spacer between there. Of maybe 10. There we go. And set it to 0 by default. There we go. And let's make a function. Update gold. Update gold text. It's gonna take in a float. New gold amount. And let's grab the gold text. Just set the text. There we go. Perfect. And we have the chest. Let's add another folder for store. Merchant. It's cooler. And yeah, there's obviously several ways to set this up. You could do like a character walking around. But I'm not going to go that deep into it. This is just a inventory system tutorial. See, what do we have in here? Let's do a new blueprint class of the type actor. Or should we do a character? Let's do a character. Because then you can kill him and stuff. BP Merchant. Minus 9270, and let's just make her use the same as the player, which is demo characters, mannequins, animations. This one, I guess. Let's do the master. Select the mesh. No. There we go. And create material instance. Merchant 01 instance. These probably already are material instances. Yeah, so I could have just copied them. So I'm gonna copy this one. Merchant. Merchant. There we go. Merchant's instance, and the merchant will be a nice green color. I put them in the wrong. That makes more sense. Yep, that looks more correct. There we go. So now let's place our merchant in the world. The merchant will be standing here. I'm gonna delete some of these items. Not doing very well. Can have some of them here still, but don't need a multitude of them. Delete, 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 delete. I don't need 100 potions. There we go. Now we still have some items to play around with. Actually, I realize now that this is a child, right? So we want this to inventory item. Master. So the master world item is the pickup, right? And this is a child of the master inventory item. So we probably want to create a new child for this. Master inventory item. Yeah, we definitely want to do that. Create a new child blueprint class. And this will be PP Master Merchant. Why didn't I do that with chest? PP Master Chest. Yeah, we did. And we're gonna drag this Master Merchant into the Merchant folder. Can we add a character as this child? We can't, right? Didn't think about that because it's a static mesh. Well, we can just add a skeletal mesh to this one. We can set the static mesh to, can we delete it? No, because there's a static mesh in the master one. Doesn't matter, we can clear this one. And you probably want a static mesh because you're gonna probably have like a stand or something. Skeletal mesh, we will go into the merchant mesh, we will copy, paste, we will, no, okay. We'll do like this instead. Not sure if this is the correct. Let's just do it like that for now. And we still want our nice new colors. There we go. I'm gonna delete this one. And now we have our merchants. We can delete this old one. And there we have our master merchants. So not minus 90. There we go. But we can take the collision and move it up and maybe increase it a bit. Something like that. Maybe even more. Let's do 100. There we go. And now we should still get the interaction widget appearing when we go to the merchant, right? Ah. That is not a bug, it's a feature. You do not need any rotating movement. Actually, don't we have that as a variable? Use rotating movement. We're gonna disable that for dear merchant. And we have the pickup, so that is nice. And we can see that with the chest, we have open chest. And these are pickup. So, gonna go into our WB interaction, look up where we update this. Override text. Where is that? Not here. Overlap. Okay. Not here. Where are we setting the text? Is this a good way to do it? I'm not sure this is optimal because we might want to check for like the closest ones. Oh well, let's leave it at that for now. Set interaction type here, right? Construct. Okay, here. There we go. So we now need to, in this interaction type, we need to add another one for merchant. So another for merchant. Where is it? And if it's a merchant, we're gonna set the text to, come on, what's happening? Trade. Oh, yeah, we need to set this to actually be merchants as well. Type merchant. Trade. And now nothing happens when we press E. That's intended. So let's set up that functionality in the next one. Yeah. Let's set that up in the next video. We have the basics of the merchant going there. And nice with a short video for once. It wasn't actually that short, 23 minutes. Anyway, as always, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one. Please like and subscribe if you're new. Consider joining the patrons because it's awesome. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.